Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Brawl Stars account. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to delete the account, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is to open up the Brawl Stars game on your mobile device. So here we are at the homepage of the game, and what you're gonna need to do from here is to press onto the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. And after that, select the settings as you can see. Now from here, you will want to select the option that says help and support. And once you click onto this option, it will open up a page like this. Now from here, you will have to select the first option which says account. And here you will see different options, but you're gonna need to click onto the plus icon in front of the option that says access/delete your data. And once you do, a drop-down menu will appear just like that. And from this menu, you will want to click onto the option that says request deletion of your personal data, just like that. Now from here, scroll down to the bottom until you spot this blue tab that says delete my data, and of course click on it. What this is gonna do is open you a chat window like this, and after you wait for a few minutes, it will give you some responses, and what you're gonna need to do is to press onto the one that says I agree to delete my data, and after you do, you'll receive this response which says we will now process your request. When you press delete account, we will immediately proceed with the termination of your account. Know that there will be a short period during which you can still cancel the request. What this does, as I scroll up slightly, it says deleting data permanently erases your account, game progress, and pay them free in-game resources. When the deletion process starts, you can't play the game from your current device. The process can take up to 30 days, and it is irreversible once completed. And if you want to cancel your account deletion, please contact us before the countdown on your game screen expires. So if you're sure about deleting your account, you can go down here and click onto the tab that says delete account. But if you change your mind, you can come back here again and select cancel, but make sure to do that before the 30 days, otherwise your account will be fully deleted. So that's it, that's how to delete Brawl Stars account. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it.